Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 10 of Vlogmas. I know I haven't checked in with you guys earlier today, and the reason for that is because I have just been working a little bit, and I was a little bit tired after yesterday. But I did go into the city again today. We were looking for Christmas presents for our family, and we didn't end up buying something because we didn't find anything, so it wasn't the best trip to the city, but it was very cozy. And a weird thing about Norway is that all the stores are closed on Sundays, and the only exception for that is in the Christmas time. So every year the stores have open on Sundays in December, and that's the only exception for that rule. And we also have Sunday stores here, which is another different topic, but it's very weird. But we went into the city just to do something. We wanted to have a little bit of Christmas spirit, and I think we got a little bit of it. And my plan for the next week is to go to the Christmas market. I haven't been there yet, and I hope it's going to be very cozy there and that I feel a little bit more of the Christmas spirit. After that we came home, and I didn't want to cook because I was a little bit tired of yesterday and I didn't want to cook more. So therefore we went out for dinner, and it was a very beautiful newly opened restaurant, and it was Asian food, sushi. It was very good. I really enjoyed all the food, and also the drink was very, very good. So that was a very good experience. I will probably go there again because it was very great food. And I think that's it for today. We haven't done that much. We have only been home and working, and And for today's advent calendar, I got the shower head that I filmed the clips of earlier in this vlog, and I'm so happy about it. I had to try it instantly, so I have tried it, and it was so good. I will leave a link below so you can check it out if you want to. I don't know how it will affect my hair yet because I haven't showered my hair with it. But I can instantly say that I really, really like the pressure and the waterfall from the shower head, if that makes any sense. It was very good. And we didn't buy any presents, but I ended up buying something for myself because I really wanted something that they had in stock that I have wanted for such a long time. So let's unbox it. It's in my purse because I didn't take bag. And then we also got some samples, so that's very nice. And by the way, I have to say that I'm really liking the Chanel Classic Flap. I didn't think that I was going to like it that much, but I really do. I think it is just a versatile and good bag. I still don't know if I am going to buy it anytime soon because I want to buy it brand new because it has always been a dream of mine. But in the end, I really like the Chanel Classic Flap. I think it is a very good bag, versatile, and it's very elegant. So that is something that I'm going to think a little bit more about, and I'm going to deliver it back tomorrow. So I think this is possibly the last time that I'm using this specific one. But I have really enjoyed the time with it. And over to the thing that I bought. It is from Givenchy, and this is the Prisma Libre blush. And as you might know, I'm obsessed with blushes. It is something that I have gone wild with quite recently. I have all the Dior blushes, and I have something that I haven't unboxed yet, and those two are also blushes and from Dior. And I also have 3 from Chanel. So yeah. But here is the blush that I got, and this is in the shade Flanelle Rubies, I think it is. It's a cherry kind of color, very beautiful. And here you can see how it looks with that one, and here is inside of it. It's very beautiful, and I cannot wait to try it. I will try it probably tomorrow. So that was the little thing that I bought from Givenchy. So that was today, and tomorrow I have quite spontaneously booked a nail appointment. I feel that I have gotten sick of these. They are very beautiful, but I want something else, and I think it is 3 weeks since I last did my nails. I initially had an appointment next Monday, but I rebooked it to tomorrow, so therefore I'm going for a nail appointment tomorrow morning, and I think it's going to be very good to do that. And also I think one of my nails broke, and yeah, I cannot wait to change my nails. This time I'm thinking about going for something brown because I want a change, and I also think I'm going to have them a little bit shorter, maybe. And after that I'm going to deliver the bags that I have on loan from Vintage Fever, so I'm going to say goodbye to them. And after that I'm going to my doctor, and yeah, that's my plan for tomorrow. And the coming week I have many things planned, so I cannot wait to take you guys with me to do that, because I'm going to bake a little bit, and I'm also going to the Christmas market to have a little bit more Christmas spirit. And yeah, hopefully it is something that you would like to see. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know this weekend haven't been the best one, but I promise that I will make it up to you guys and vlog a little bit more in the coming week. But again, thank you so much, and if you are not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.